So welcome to the Photography Live Show, where we talk about everything from recent photography news, editing programs, and share tips and tricks along the way. A massive difference once it's edited and the colors have been, so see, look at that. Hello, welcome to another session of Edit My Raw. So you may have caught up last week, we had an Edit My Raw challenge and we posted that in the Reddit group, which I'm showing you right now, so you can see the images I provided. This was from the motorcycle show and it was inside a massive warehouse where they basically set up stalls. And again, I remember it was a high ISO because it was indoors. Interesting. She looks very painting like, doesn't she? It's like a in the background. Okay, nice edit, good job. Let me just read his so what tends to happen is the photo that I like the best makes it to the next thumbnail, so you'll see there should be the subtle. You know what, I like it. It's not distracting. If I looked at this, how you can normally tell is good. When I say thrown out, I'm not being distracted by the background. Do you guys suggest any good software to view photos on? Because I hate this new Windows viewer, because before I used to be able to zoom in when I used to patchy there. Okay, so this one's gone the other way, I would say. So the colors, you know what, you guys have been surprising me. The best thing about this is getting a perspective from everybody. That's another one. That's another one. But these are just basically passing through shots. That's what it was. But that one, oh yeah, I think there's a couple of photos that I moved between two different albums, but there's a few better ones. These are my not used photos in this album. I might share some of the other ones with you. Let me quickly show you, and then you can see if any of these other ones are any good. That was a headshot. Again, that's similar to that. This is the library. That was a museum. So we're passing through, and again, these are just randoms. This is the outside ones. That was one you already did for me. Bike one up. That's the standard bike. And then if I bring up his bike edit. That's a tight crop there. Tight crop. Okay. Would that be a better edit to do something with? I didn't end up using those, but we used 3, I think, out of all of them. But yeah, that might be another session possibly. But let me know if that would be of interest to you. Let me open up. Okay. So there were a number of other shots that were used. So instead of the bike, this is meant to be depicting pollution, because this was an advert for the mask. Okay, it's between Racist Apricot and SD Stever. Those are the two, Racist Apricot and SD Stever. But then again, Joe, I like this one as well. Okay, that's my 3. I'm gonna pick 3 favorites. So the best 3 I liked was Jonas Vernie, thank you. SD Stever, thank you. And Racist Apricot, thank you. Tea Leaf, I liked it. I liked that nice cut you did, but I'm putting you in 4th place. First, Steven, SD Steven. Joint second, Racist Apricot and Jonas Vern, and 3rd place, Tea Leaf. Thank you very much for your edits, guys. And if you missed the last session, I'll link you to that. Let me know if this time was a good time for you, and I can arrange the next one at a better time. But it's been great having your edits come through and being able to look at them. And for those that have been able to explain the edits, thank you for sharing that. And I'll see you on the next one. I've made a playlist of the Reddit videos that we're making, and I'll see you on one of these videos.